Hey folks, let's do some more Golang coding in preparation for our coding interviews that might come our way if you're looking for a DevOps/SRE role. Nowadays, coding interviews are very, very common. And if we're going to have a coding interview, it is more than likely that you're going to have a coding interview in terms of programming and not necessarily like Terraform or Kubernetes. All right, in this session, we're going to play with pointers. So what are we going to do? We're going to define an integer variable. Then we're going to define another variable that points to it, to its memory location. Then we're going to print that variable's memory location and its value using the memory location variable. So hopefully this will make more sense when we do the coding. If you find these videos useful, please subscribe. That helps me and my channel. All right, so first we're going to define a simple integer variable. We can just do this. I equals 8. So we'll figure out that's an int. Okay, now we need a variable that points to an integer. Pointer to, actually not I, we're going to call it int1 because that's what's in the assignment. Pointer to int1. Variable is of type pointer to an integer. It doesn't like that. I think it has to be star, maybe. That's fine. Yeah, I think star. Star means pointer to to a type, in this case integer. That's fine. Okay, now we're going to say we're going to assign this pointer to that integer. So pointer to int1 equals the memory. And whenever you see %, that means the memory location of. So memory location of int1. Okay. Now we're going to start printing stuff. Print. First, simply we're going to print the value of int1. Let's copy this so we can reuse this. Then we're going to print the address of int1 without using a variable like that. Remember, %, means memory address of. Now we're going to print pointer, which should be the same as this, right? Then we're going to use the pointer to, I think if we do a star, that means the value at. We'll find out if that's correct or not. So now we're going to use this pointer to print the value of the memory location, which happens to be also int1 in variable. So no complaints from the context, from the syntax. Now, when you run the command, what do we got? First thing we got is value of int, so that's the number 8. Then, because we put %, in front of it, it's the memory location of int1, so you got the memory location. Then, because we assigned the value of this pointer to the memory address of int1, when we printed that, we got back also the memory location of int1. Then we used star, which means the value stored at the memory location, which happens to be int1 and 8, and then the value happens to be 8, so you got back 8. So hopefully this is, even though it's simple, it makes it clear to you how to use pointers. So you define a pointer to a type. You then, whenever we use %, that means the memory location of, and whenever we use star, we mean whatever contains in that memory is whatever is contained in that memory location. Hope you found this video useful, and I will see you in the next one.